Hi everybody and welcome. In today's video I'm going to present you some LG XBOOM 360 XO3 top tricks. So, the first thing, the most important thing is that our LG XBOOM speaker does have the application, so we can manage all our settings within just one simple application. This is the first and the most important thing I'd say. Apart from that, we have the LED lights in this speaker, which we can manage here. We can disable them, enable them back again, play strobe, disable playing strobe, managing the brightness, etc. Apart from that, we have the equalizer, and we can easily manage our equalizer within just 3 simple clicks. Wait a moment. Apart from that, in this application we have the sources. It can be AUX or Bluetooth. And apart from that, the final top trick is that we have XOOM Lab, and here we can set a healing therapy for us or do a healing therapy feedback survey. That's it. Hope it helps you and have a nice day.